Alright, so this video is talking about how we will take our writing exams in this course. Um, so basically it's a two-step process. We have a quiz and then we'll have a Turnitin assignment. So basically how we would do it, you would first take the quiz, which would be give you the essay prompt, the essay question. And then after that, you're going to copy and paste it and put it into turnitin.com. So let's go through those steps one by one. First, let's look at the quiz. So with the quiz, we're going to click attempt. We're going to attempt the quiz, and that's going to take us to the quiz page. Usually it's going to be some prompt or something. So we will type our essay here, and we'll just, for the sake of time, we're just going to quickly type anything. And it's always helpful if you put a space between your paragraphs so I can see where one paragraph ends and the next begins. And then we're going to submit, and I'll finish. So after you submit, it's going to tell you the date and that you're finished. So here's where you're going to highlight. So you're going to control and select all. Usually you can select here, highlight, and you're going to click Control C. So remember to copy, you're going to hold the control button and then push C. So hold these both down. After you highlighted it, you Control C to copy it, and then you're going to use Control V as in Victor to paste it. And if you have a Mac, then you use the little command sign here. Looks like 4 little circles connected. Command key plus C equals copy, and command key plus V equals paste. So after you finished your typing your essay and you did Control C to copy it, you're going to come over here to turn it in. While in the Turnitin assignment, you're going to scroll down, find your name. Let's just say my name is Faisal. And you're going to click the little cloud with the arrow in it, the upload button. And then here you're going to push paste. You're going to, again, that's Control and V to paste. And for Mac, it's Command and V to paste. And give it a title. The title should be something related to the topic. This one was about typing your essay. And we're good to go. And then after you did that, you add submission, and you're done.